So today I'm going to be freshening up the chassis a little bit, doing some stitch welding, some painting, grind it down to bare metal first. I've already got this side done, so we'll see how that goes.
As you can see, I've already done this side. Grinded it right down to bare metal. Did some stitch welding and then just painted it black. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, try to freshen it up because it's getting pretty bad. You can see there's some rust there, and I'm trying to make it as nice as I can, but I'm not going to go too in depth with it. I'm just going to try to make it look nice. So first thing is going to use this flap disc. Just going to push these wires off to the side. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, and I'm going to just grind it right down to the metal. Get ready for welding. So I'm pretty much down to metal everywhere where I need to be. It's definitely no show car, so I'm not trying to go too crazy with it. So it's about time to stitch weld all these little joints together. Just flapping up here a little bit. So stitch weld all the way across there, and then just throw some paint on it. That's it for the stitch welding. I am no professional welder, so I'm not going to get too close to these welds. But we had a bit of a mishap, as you've seen. Sacrificed a blanket. Where is it there? Caught on fire a little bit. So moral of the story is don't cover your engine bay with a blanket when you're welding or have anything flammable nearby. Lesson learned. So now it's ready for paint. I'm not doing anything special. I'm just doing a spray bomb. It's not. This doesn't warrant taking out the guns, or I'm just gonna spray it black. All right, so this is the final product. Like I said, it's not supposed to be professional or show car-y at all. The paint is more or less to cover up the bare metal, stop rust, but spot welds, hopefully they hold up well. It's not much of a stressful area, so I should have no problems with it. But yeah, final product. Got both sides black. Eventually, I'll do the strut towers as well, and I'll take all of this plastic off, freshen it up. Right.
Pickle that's Pickle Rick. He smells like
fucking stinks, man.
He smells like.
Oh my god, it smells like really bad pickle.
Yeah.
Like it smells like grocery yogurt.
It smells like if you were to eat a large amount of feces, and then you also ate garlic, and then you mix that in with a bunch more feces.
Pickled eggs left in the sun.
Yeah. Alright. So that's it for freshening up the chassis.
I'm not going to go too much more in depth with it. It is kind of what it is. I just wanted to make it look a little bit better, stitch weld it for a little bit of added strength, and that's it. Thanks for watching.
Next up, angle mods!